Welcome back, students. Maths Standard 10, Chapter 15, Probability, Session 2. In the first session, we learned about some of the basics of the probability. Now, based on it, we'll solve some of the textual examples which clear more our basics. The very first example is, I'll read the question, find the probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed once. Also find the probability of getting a tail. Now, as you know, we are tossing a coin. When we are tossing a coin, it has two outcomes. The total outcomes are two. In that, one head and one tail. So, according to our definition, probability of getting head, we call it as E. Probability of getting head is 1 by 2 because head will appear 1 and total outcomes are 2 in a coin. Same way, probability of getting tail will also be 1 by 2. So, example 1. After example 2, I will continue. A bag contains a red ball, a blue ball, a yellow ball. All the balls are of the same size. Kritika takes out a ball from the bag without looking into it. What is the probability that she takes out? Now there are three questions in it. The very first is, what is the probability of getting yellow ball? Now let me first make you clear. How many balls are there? A red ball, a blue ball, a yellow ball. So what will be the total outcomes? 3. She is selecting 1. So red ball is 1, yellow ball is 1 and blue ball is also 1. So what is the probability of getting yellow? So yellow is 1, so 1, and what are total outcomes? 3, so 1 by 3. Same way blue will be 1 by 3, red 1 by 3. So second, again it's totally dependent on the mathematical definition of probability, that is favorable outcome upon total number of outcomes. Now we are going to example number 3, which is, suppose we throw a dice once. Now this is dice. There are some questions in probability where they are very common. Okay, during 9th standard we have tossed coins and thrown dice. 10th also, but something more, some typical or twisted questions will be there, which will be coming up in the examples. Example number 3 says that we are throwing a dice. Dice has how many outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are total outcomes in a dice are 6. Now, what is the probability they are asking? First, they are asking, find the probability. What is the probability of a number greater than 4? Greater than 4. So, greater than 4, there are only two numbers, 5 and 6. So, how many outcomes? Favorable? 2. And what are total outcomes? 6. So, 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Now, they are asking us another question. What is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4? Less than or equal to 4, that means less than 4 means 1, 2 and 3. Equal to 4, that means 4 will also come. So how many total outcomes? Total outcome 6. Favorable outcomes for my event 4. So 2 by 3. Okay. So this way example 3 is clear. Now let me go to example 4. Example 4, one card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Now, before finding out the probability of it, let me make you clear some terminologies associated with the cards. There are total 52 cards. Okay? And these 52 cards are divided into 4 suits. 4 suits of 13 cards each. 13 cards of spades. 13 hearts, 13 diamonds and 13 club, 1, 3. Okay. Another thing you remember, spade and club are of black color. So they are sometimes called as black. Red color are hearts and diamonds. As you know, these 13 cards are made up of 4. One is S, another one is king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. This S means the first S. Then king, queen and jack are also called as face cards. Now the probabilities will be like this way. there will be questions related to these words, the probability will be asked. So keep this concept very clear in your mind for solving the probability related to cards, and during this quarantine period will be more helpful for you for killing the time. Now let me come to example 4, which says calculate the probability that the card will be an S. So see, we know there are 4 shoots. So in every shoot one S will be there. So what will be my favorable S? 4. So 4S will be there. So probability of S will be 4, and total cards are 52. So 4 upon 52, 1 by 13. And another question they have asked is that find the probability that it not be an S. So not be an S, that means I am asking you probability of E dash, that is I am asking its complementary event. Probability of E plus probability of E dash is equal to 1. Probability of E is 1 by 13. So what will be E dash? 1 minus 1 by 13. So it will come to 12 by 30. Or you can also, with a mathematical definition, you can find it out that see, S is only 1. Okay, and what are the other left out in a suit? There are 13. So out of 13, S is 1. So other left outs are 12. So 12 upon 13. But I think this will be the right method to solve it. That is probability of E plus probability of E dash. Other 4 examples will be seeing it out in my next video sessions. Thank you.